All right, happy Vlogmas, everyone. This is Rocky, and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, this is where we normally talk about fashion, lifestyle right here in my city of Chicago, and just a little bit of beauty. I am going to be participating in Vlogmas this year, which means I am going to vlog every single day in December up until Christmas. And you get to see me and all of my wonderful adventures every single day. We're going to be talking a lot about beauty because I will be opening up an advent calendar, which is from The Body Shop. And every day there'll be something beauty related that we talk about. In addition to that, if there is something special happening that day or a special story I want to share, we'll also be doing that during the vlogs every single day. Some days the vlogs will just be the advent calendar that I'm sharing. Other days it'll have the stories that I'm talking about. So let's get right into it. All right, we are at day 6. 6 feels like it has a nice little ring to it. Let's see what we have for day 6. This one's a really big box. Let me show you this. I'm always doing the B-roll here on my phone, so let's do this together. All right, it says, from community trade aloe vera in Mexico to recycled paper gift bags, the boxes from Nepal, we source ingredients and accessories from experts all around the world. I know I read right now like I'm in 2nd grade, but it's hard to read through this phone. It's weird. I don't know what it is, but it's hard to read through the phone. So anyway, let's dig into this. I have completely ruined my nails. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it smells amazing. So this one is a cleansing face and body bar with almond milk. I am not certain that this is something that I'll be able to use, but definitely very great idea here. I think it will work for somebody. I'm very particular about the things that I put on my face, and we've probably talked about that before. So this will probably be going into the giveaway that we talked about. We are marching towards how many? 2,000 subscribers, and we're becoming monetized. So once we hit those targets, I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway to several of you out there that'll include fashion, lifestyle, and beauty bits. And I'm super excited to be able to give you that, and super excited to be reaching those targets with you. So keep sharing, keep hitting the likes, keep hitting the thumbs up. I mean, share with your friends, watch, come back and watch again, subscribe if you haven't already. So that's all we have today for today's vlog. Make sure you come back tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog, but the only way you'll know if I posted something if you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Come back tomorrow, I'll have something special for you, and I'm also doing giveaways, so you don't want to miss that. Bye!